Good morning, students. Welcome to Amazing Facts. Food is the basic human need to stay alive. Moreover, it is the need of every living organisms. There is a famous saying like, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper. So, even though the food is the basic need, there is a limit of consumption of food based on the time. So now in this video, let's see about food preservation and the side effects of some food preservatives. So what happens when we keep the leftover food for the entire night? When we see the container in the morning, we find some fungus growing in the container along with the food. So what do we do in such cases? We throw the food away. So this is because when we consume the food shared by fungus, then we may encounter a variety of health issues. This happens because the food has now turned into a poison for us. When the microbes of any type take over our food, they release certain substances in it. And these substances are quite toxic, and hence we say that the food has turned poisonous. We can define the food poisoning as the ill effect on health caused by consumption of contaminated food. So it is contaminated because of certain toxic secretion by certain bacteria, fungi, parasites and pathogens. Consumption of such contaminated food may lead to various types of severe infection in our digestive system. So how to avoid such poisoning of food? Scientifically, spoiled food result of chemical reactions. The harmful microbes in our food give out certain secretion that bring out chemical changes in food. So these chemical changes render it unfit for consumption. So we can save the food from spoiling by interrupting such chemical reactions, and the only way to do this is by inhibiting the microbial growth or simply killing these microbes using some food preservatives. There are certain methods of food preservation. A few methods have been carried out since ages, while some have been recently developed. We always find adding a lot of salt and oil to the pickles. And the pickles, if you notice, taste the same for long period. Have you ever wondered how this happens? It is an ancient method of food preservation that we use by adding commodities like salt, oil and even vinegar to arrest the growth of microbes in food, and even if microbes attack our food, it will be killed. Among all, salt is the most commonly and widely used. Not only in pickles, it is also used for preservation of meat and fishes. Salting of meat and fish followed by drying them in sun can preserve them for many months. And also, sugar is used as a preservative in jams and jellies because it inhibits the microbial growth in it. These were the commonly used commodities which were employed to preserve food in homes or small scale. Whereas in large scale, they will use some chemicals because it is very difficult to use the salt and oil in large amount. Apart from the salt, oil and sugar, they use chemicals like sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfate. So now let's see, are food preservatives is bad for our health? A preservative is a substance added to foods, cosmetics, medicines, etc. to prevent them from spoiling. And also, for example, preservatives like salt and sugar prevent the growth of harmful microbes in foods, thus preventing them from spoiling. However, a high amount of salt and sugar can increase the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, etc. Some food items even have preservatives like benzoic acid to inhibit the growth of harmful microbes, but benzoic acid is said to cause hyperactivity in children, and asthma. Sorbic acid, which is used in cosmetics, can cause skin irritation. In people suffering from asthma, preservatives like sulfites can cause very serious problems like difficulty in breathing, tightness in chest. Hence, it is very important to check the preservatives used and have them in moderate amounts. So I hope you are benefited with today's information. Have a balanced diet with healthy food. Eat right food and also avoid junk food. Take care of yourself. Thank you.